It is my great pleasure to welcome all of you to the AsiaFlux 2025.
To have committed their pledge to understanding and protecting one of the planet's most vital ecosystem, the peatland.
They hold enormous potential supporting national economic development. Therefore, we must manage them sustainably for future generations.
It is the data and knowledge generated by you as a scientist that directly inform global climate policies and enable responsible land use practices. In 2025, the company invested in 4 dedicated AD covariance flux towers across our concession.
Tonight, we celebrate another kind of exchange, the human one, because science, just like a good dinner, becomes meaningful when shared.
I wanted to meet scientists of Southeast Asia
and explore the unique ecosystem of Asia.
And also sharing our best technologies.
Remind you why science is so nice. So in a way, you come back home regenerated and full of energy to start your work again.